Let's go straight to KPIX 5's Ann Makovec, who just stepped out of the courtroom. Ann?
Yeah, testimony continues right now, and the defendant, John Lee Cowell, is not in court for a second day. That's after he got kicked out of the courtroom yesterday, returned briefly, but today he has not shown up at all. That key piece of evidence that you referenced is a knife in this case, the alleged murder weapon. Jurors were able to pass it around and handle it themselves. This is the knife that prosecutors say was used to kill 18-year-old Nia Wilson a year and a half ago. John Lee Cowell is charged with murder and attempted murder for allegedly stabbing Wilson and her sister, 26-year-old Latifah Wilson, on the platform at the MacArthur station. Jurors viewed graphic surveillance video of the murder during the prosecution's opening statements yesterday, which showed a man police identified as Cowell come up behind the victims and stab them in the neck. The prosecution says this was premeditated and deliberate, and that's after he identified and followed his victims from the Concord station. But the defense attorney said Cowell had no motive to kill other than he suffers from psychosis and delusion. She said that it was an act of rash impulse. We also heard this morning from an AC Transit bus driver, a driver who says that he picked up Cowell the night of the murder, after the murder. Cowell, we saw a video of somebody identified as Cowell entering the bus, saying he needed a free ride and that his ankle was messed up. The driver allowed him on the bus, and then after that got an alert about the stabbing. Only after Cowell exited the bus, or the man identified as Cowell rather, did he get another bulletin that gave him a better description. That is when he said he was sure that was the man that was on his bus. Live in Oakland, Ann Makovec, KPIX 5.